there is a bridge. They are not making it, and whenever I go there, I always see traffic. That is my point of view. And India is not developing properly. Amravati is developing city, I know that, but they are not making that bridge about 10 to 15 years. In this situation is happening in our city, what we can say. That is my point.
Okay, then I am talking about means some lot of people talking about berojgari. Then why happen berojgari in our country? Because companies or government jobs also his means his create our requirements like skills for civil engineers. He requirements of AutoCAD skills, Stat Pro, and also Excel, Word. This is requirements for jobs. Then students have not had not complete this skill, then they not get a job, and that's why this is my point.
Okay, you should say like a engineer after completing the degree, the student are completed some courses. Okay, you know about the courses price. Even a student do one course like they have pay 10 Ks or 15 Ks per course, but the rural area student cannot afford it. That's why they will complete their degree and go to their home, and they do won't know anything like that. And my friend Praveen said like India's develop major roads, major bridge. Yeah, I'll consider. I completely agree with you. The it's developing. It's a developing India. Okay, but you always say like you are saying rich peoples, but what about the poor peoples? What about the farmers? They cannot. You will say government can build a bridge or government can build a road. Okay, but but in the situation the peoples cannot have a money to fuel money to fill a petrol for the vehicle for his vehicle. Then what he is trying, or then what is facility they have in own way. And you mean you like you say like there is many digital like some people almost everyone can pay a UPI, but there is no money in our bank account. What can we play? What can we pay the money transfer, like you say? That's it.
So after hearing both of team opinions, I think there's a lot of things that government should fix, and there's also lots of things that we should proud of it. Okay, there's are always two sides of coin. There's bad and good. I think India is a fourth largest economic country, and there's also many villages where electricities are not available. Okay, so I think in my point of view, both things are should be noticed by government. And so so at the end I conclude this event, and we reach to the result that both things should be uh, at the end we reach to the result that both side should be noticed by government. So let's give a big round of applause for each other. Thank you.